In this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this Poppin Twist Out. Let's get into it.
What's up? Yeah. Go dummy cow.
Okay, so first things first, I'm the realist. Just kidding. Well, kidding, not kidding. On freshly washed hair, we're going to take on Jackie's Quench or any moisturizer you'd like to use. And while our hair is still damp, we're just going to make sure we pack that moisture in. Pack it in, sis. After that, we're going to use our penetrating oil to seal it all up. And I used the argan oil by Morocco or Moroccan argan oil. I don't know. But basically comb that through. Oh, come on. Come on, bro. Open it. It's just plastic. Come on, get it. Oh, Lord. Finally. Okay, so we're going to be using Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel as well. It's very lightweight, but it still holds very well. Take a little bit of that and then section it off, smooth it down the shaft so that way we can make sure it's all throughout. And then we're just going to tightly twist, and you're going to want to keep your twist consistent. It doesn't really matter about parting because we're doing a twist out. Yeah, and you see I'm combing my ends out just so I can make sure my ends come out curly and not frizzy. That's happened a couple times. And boom, look at that. Okay, I'm going to speed it up and show you all the rest now. So now I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step version of this. Basically, I have the section parted. I already put on the quench and I already put on the oil. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of shea butter. I'm using that sparingly because I only have a little left, but it provides a great hold as well as a protector for, holding your moisture in. So win-win. Now I'm just going to separate those into two parts of hair. And I'm going to take my gel again and run it straight down the shaft of the hair. Keep running it down and make sure you get it on the ends. Detangle it again. And now we're going to twist that up. And you always want to twist in the way that your hair is going to be falling. So if you see like on my forehead, I have hair because I want bangs. So yeah, keep that in mind. So I know I'm probably gonna get a couple questions in the comments about what I'm doing right here, and basically this is how I stretch my hair. Since I have 4C hair, as soon as it gets wet, it shrinks no matter what style I'm doing. So I do this after it dries a little bit in the gel sets to ensure that it'll be stretched.